It's Sally Mangali, where we eat and talk weight. I don't know what I'm doing. Just subscribe and let's conversate.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you click the subscription button. If you've been in my channel, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you guys. So today I am having sushi. It is so delicious. Can you see that? Look at that. So today there's a bit of a twist. So I was on Amazon yesterday and they had a sale on chopsticks. I have no clue how to use chopsticks, so today I want to learn. I tried it last night practicing. It was so much easier. It didn't work. Okay, Stephanie Sue did this so much easier than what is going on right now. And when I was practicing, it seemed pretty easy. Oh my gosh, I'm doing it. Who was I watching? I think I was watching Stephanie Sue. Look at me being a professional. I think I was watching Stephanie Sue, and I just like the way it looks, like to try to eat with chopsticks. I've never been able to do it. I know you can hear the roosters. Went to the grocery store today. I was off from work today and I got this water. It's called pineapple coconut. Can you see it? Is it too close? So it does have some carbonation to it, but not much. It has, this when you know you're old, because you're like, it has 2 grams of carbs and 0 sugar. Oh, that's pretty good. 0 calories. It's not bad. Oh, it's so good. There's one that's called black cherry, and the kids like to get that one because they say that if you add it with some ice, it tastes like I don't know if they said Dr. Pepper or Mr. Pibb. This is the tricky part, to put it back on my hand. And we got this. Hell yeah, we do. Maybe more in here. It was a little adventure today. It's still hard to get used to the mask. I'm not complaining about it though, because I mean, obviously it's a good thing. But you still have people out there that didn't wear it. That I didn't understand. I think maybe out of everybody that was at Winko, maybe 98% of everyone had on a mask. I don't know if I'm good at this. I'm just squeezing it and picking it up, you know? That was good. It makes me really thirsty. I have some family members that are in West Texas, and they said that they're not affected yet as far as like having to be mandatory to wear the masks. I start out here and then I end up like here. Oh, I'm gonna be the next Stephanie Sue or Veronica Wayne. You know what I mean? I ate my noodles. Ooh, I ordered some noodles. It's called skinny noodles. My sister tried it, but you have to rinse it, otherwise it has like an earthy taste. But once you clean it, you know, it's pretty good. I want to try it. I ordered a box. It should arrive today. Then I'll show it to you guys. Because she says you had to rinse the bag. And I'm like, why do you got to rinse the bag? You got to boil the noodles. But it ain't that kind of noodles. Not the noodles that I'm used to, you know? Well, makes sense. I have no clue what I'm doing. Can you tell? I don't mean to insult anyone. I'm just trying. I'm learning. I want to learn, you know? I'm getting full. Okay, this totally twisted on me. I don't know why I twisted that. Okay. I know that the California rolls are really plain, but I did that because these are spicy. So if it gets too spicy for me, I jump this way. And then when I'm like, this is plain, I need some kick, I jump this way. Are you here? I was calling to see if you were here already. This is pissing me off. Like, I'm getting frustrated. Oh, I did a new intro. Okay, please comment down below and tell me what you think. I wasn't really happy with the other one. Okay, this is not working. I wasn't. Oh. I'd only dip a little bit of the salt. It's not salt, it's soy sauce, but still it's salty. Isn't that pretty? Okay, let's try it again. So good. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Again, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I totally appreciate you guys. Please watch my playlist so I can get some viewed minutes. And I'm gonna finish my last 2, and I hope I get to see you tomorrow. And until then, God bless you, and may God keep you, and I love you. Bye. Now let me see these. Now why did I let these go? Oh, let's start with this one. This is spicy.